How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the bed temperature in Creality Slicer. Now, the way that we can do this is by individually changing the bed temperature for each filament. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the filament section, which is going to be this area right here. Click on the filament that you want to change the bed temperature of. So for example, let's change this one. Simply click on it and then click on the pencil icon. Inside this page, just make sure that the advanced option is toggled on. Scroll down and then we have the bed temperature section. You can now modify your bed temperature the way you want to. And basically after making your changes, you can save this specific template by clicking on Save As. And then from here, let's then select something like Modified. Click on OK. And then we can simply change our preset into this modified option right here, which is under the user presets. And so that's how easy it is to change your bed temperature. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.